How to iterate over a list in chunks. I have a Python script which takes as input a list of integers, which I need to work with 4 integers at a time. Unfortunately, I don't have control of the input, or I'd have it passed in as a list of 4-element tuples. Currently, I'm iterating over it this way. It looks a lot like C-think, though, which makes me suspect there's a more Pythonic way of dealing with this situation. The list is discarded after iterating, so it needn't be preserved. Perhaps something like this would be better. Still doesn't quite feel right, though. Skeptical. Related question: how do you split a list into evenly sized chunks in Python?
Works with any sequence.
Modified from the Recipes section of Python's IterTools docs. Example. Note: on Python 2 use isip_longest instead of zip_longest.
Since Python 3.8 you can use the walrus column equals operator and itertools.islice.
Another way.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.